Welcome all. So this video is all about Hanuman Jayanti, which is coming on 23rd of April 2024, and this time it's going to be the most special one because after the Ram Mandir inauguration in Ayodhya has taken place, this is the first Hanuman Jayanti that all of us will be celebrating, and with so much of joy and happiness, isn't it? So you people have been asking us that how we can make this Hanuman Jayanti extra special. See, every Hanuman Jayanti is extremely special, but this time, because of the emotion of Lord Rama coming to Ayodhya after such a long time, makes it the most special one. I understand all the emotions of everyone from the Sanatan Dharam and worldwide also, isn't it? So see, what is the best thing that you can do for Hanumanji is do the japas of Shri Ram, do the mantras of Shri Ram, read Ramayan, get the Sundarkand part done in your houses if possible, get the Ramayan part done in your houses. Anything to do with Shri Ram is something that is the most pleasing to Lord Hanuman. This everyone knows by now, isn't it? There can be nothing more pleasing for Hanumanji than you praying to Lord Shri Ram. And even Hanuman Chalisa, the number of times you can do, as many as number of times you can do, like 5 times, 7 times, 11 times, 21 times, 45 times, or 108 times. That really depends on how you want to take it forward or how much sankalp. And of course, do a sankalp, like giving your name, your gotra, and what are you looking for. So once you do the sankalpa, and this is the number of times that I will recite Hanuman Chalisa, that is very beneficial. Okay, so do that also. So reading Hanuman Chalisa, like I just said, really depends on you that what number you want to choose. Okay, but whatever number you choose, do it with correct intention and a very clean and pure heart. Okay, that's very important. Otherwise, just doing or reading it's just without any emotion or without any clear intention is of no use. Okay, so do that. Then the Sundarkand I've already told you. And even if you cannot recite it yourself because of maybe you're not feeling well or something, at least you can play it in your records. You can play it on YouTube, Sundarkand or Hanuman Chalisa or Ramayan part. These days everything is available on YouTube, thanks to YouTube and thanks to the internet. So internet is very useful in such positive things. So it really depends on you that how you want to utilize internet facility in your life, with the correct things or just for things which are all of with fun and so many other things. Okay, so utilize it correctly. Even the internet service, the Wi-Fi service. Okay, utilize your Rahu, because all this is Rahu, in the correct path. All right, now moving forward, what else you can do? You can do japas of Hanumanji, you can do the mantras of Hanumanji, you can do the stotra of Hanumanji, you can do even for the sadhaks or people who are into serious Hanumanji sadhanas, you can do the mantras of Panchamukhi Hanumanji also. Now that becomes a little serious path or a serious way of doing Hanumanji's meditation or Hanumanji's japas. But for the normal people who are doing the daily pujas, for them normal Hanuman Chalisa and Sundarkand is more than enough. And Bajrang Ban, of course, if you're looking for something that is really troublesome in your life and you want to eradicate that, then Bajrang Ban. Okay, and another very beautiful question was asked that if we are asking for something, if our enemy is asking for something irrelevant from Hanumanji and Bajrang Ban, will that be accepted? Of course not. You cannot be over smart in front of any deity for that matter. They're much more smarter than us. Only if you are asking for the correct thing and with the correct intention, only they will accept. Just by saying that you're trying to force Hanumanji by doing Bajrang Ban, you're trying to capture him. You cannot capture the energy of Hanumanji. Come on, what are you talking? Isn't it? So don't go into such things on YouTube. Just remember one thing: do it with correct heart and intention, pure intention, without hurting anyone, for your benefit, for your blessings. It will surely work. It is so powerful. You can do the Havan, the Homa of Lord Hanumanji of with Hanuman Chalisa. That also is possible. Okay? And the more simpler you keep, and of course make some good nice food for Hanumanji and for even Sri Ram. If you can do even the Panchamrit Abhishek for Sri Ram on that particular day, that's going to really please Lord Hanuman ji, of course. Okay, so these are few tips and few simple things that everyone in their house temples can follow on this special day of this Hanuman Jayanti and celebrate it in a grand way, in a positive way, in a very blissful way. Okay, with that note, I would end this video. I'll see you next week with another topic. Till then, goodbye. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Bajrangbali, Jai Mahakali, and Jai Krishna Kali.